Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to discuss one of the most useful topic in Java and Selenium, which is nothing but how to read data from an JSON file. So let's get started. So what is a JSON? So JSON is nothing but JSON JavaScript object notation, which is a lightweighted data exchange format, and it is easy for humans to read and write the data, and it is easy for machine to parse and generate. And we are using a JSON simple library to code this program. So let's get started, and we need a dependency for this JSON. For this JSON simple library, we need a Maven dependency, which is from Google Code.json. That's simple. In case if you are new to this channel, please do subscribe. So let's get jump into our Eclipse. So before we begin, we need to add this Maven dependency into our pom.xml. Let's go to pom.xml. So here I already added this JSON simple dependency into my pom.xml. In case if you are not added, do add this. I will share in the comment section. And we need to create a class to to read the data from a JSON object. And before that, we need a JSON file to store data, and we need to call the data into our actual program. So I have created a JSON folder. Under that, I have a read.json. So under that, I have some data, which is some sample data, which is employee ID, first name, last name, and the country. Let's jump into our program. So this is my Maven project. Under that, I have a package called demo package. I will create a new class here, which is read JSON, and we need a main method. So far we have configured pom.xml with our JSON simple dependency, and we have created a JSON file, which is a read.json, which has some sample data. Now we will be creating a JSON parser object. So we need to parse the data. So for that, we need to create a JSON parsing object. So creating a JSON parser object, which is nothing but JSON parser. So we need to use simple.parser equal to parse, or I think parse is a method name, so I can use JSON parse equal to need to use JSON parser. Now we have created a JSON parser object. Here now we need to parse the content from a JSON file. We need to we need to parse the JSON file using a JSON object. So for that, we need to create a JSON object. So I will comment here, parsing the content of the JSON file. So how we do that? So we need a JSON object, and we need a JSON reference, JSON object. We need to manually typecast this. So we need to pass this one. We need to typecast this JSON object. For that, I will do typecasting as JSON object. And again, we are trying to parse the data from a JSON file. So for that, we need a JSON parser. JSON parser object and parse method. And under parse, we need to show our file location, or we need to refer to our file location from where we are trying to get the data. So for that, I'll create a file reader. File reader. File reader. filereader.io, and here we need to provide our file reader location. So my file is under JSON folder, JSON, and which is read.json. So till now we have created our parser object. After that we have created a JSON object which is referring to parsing the one of our file location, which is a sample data file. From there we are trying to fetch the data. This will throw some exception. We need to add our exception. Now we need to read the data from our JSON file. So for this we need to use a JSON object to get the data. So I'll try to get the data and will store into a string. I can refer this as id equal to, and here we need to manually typecast our string to point the JSON object dot get. We need to use a get, and we need to provide the key name. I'll go to our sample test data file. From there I will take the key name. Now I'll try to do with the same thing for all the four, first name, last name, country. Now it's for name, this is the first name. Okay. Now we need to copy all this key name to here. Now we have copied all, we have now trying to get all the data by using a key name. So we need to print this into our console, or we need to use some other way. We can use them into our test data. So for now I'm trying to print it in the console. So for that I need a system dot sysout. The sysout, I will mention this ID, and I will do the same thing for all the other, or I can do copy this sysout and I will refer one by one. Now we are successfully trying to get the data from our JSON file, and we are trying to print them into a console. So let's print this results. I will add one more line of code, which is sysout. So final data in the console. Now I will execute this program. See, now we have got all the details here, which is a ID, first name, last name, and country. So this is how we can extract the data from our JSON file using a JSON object and a JSON parser with using a JSON symbol. So thanks for watching this video, and in case if you like this session, please do subscribe to my channel for more videos, and please share your comments, queries in the comment section. Thank you.